That's not enough. 55. All of them.
Is Wishtrend having their sale for Black Friday this year?
How much though? Because isn't it always kind of the same thing?
The discount rate?
Yeah.
Probably.
Give us a line!
This year we're gonna have to negotiate. Yeah, I'm gonna call them directly. I'm gonna negotiate. I kind of want to negotiate like a lot of deals for you guys. Tell me, you know, the products that you want the best deals on, and I will get that for you.
This is Maddie and this is Rachel, our sales manager. Wendy, the GCM manager.
Okay.
Nice to meet you.
Nice to meet you.
Nice to meet you.
Are you ready? First of all, let me ask you about Black Friday. You know, like for you, is there anything that you want to buy for Black Friday, for example?
Clothes, shoes.
What kind of discount do you expect?
Over 50%, up to like 70%.
70%?
Yeah.
That's a good idea. So,
Well, this Black Friday we're doing a big sale. Obviously the biggest sale of the year. And we're gonna go up till 40% on all single products. Yeah. And there's a lot more, like we have free samples and we have like free shipping and
let's go back to the 70% that you mentioned before. So, I have a few products here. WTL boxes, the blue cream, the sunscreens, the Revectin products. We're gonna do 70%.
Wait, this is your idea or?
No, this is the 70% that you mentioned.
Yeah.
So,
Oh, it's requested but we're not doing it.
we are going to.
We are?
Yeah.
So 70% is like a pretty big discount.
Black Friday.
Yeah, Black Friday.
She's happy. Oh my god, this is going well.
Wait, you might have to talk to the CEO as well instead of me.
Okay. What I think would be good is that it would be good for me to go to the CEO, transfer your idea of the 70%.
No, wait, hold on. I could get fired if I say yes to like 70%, you know?
I met with Rachel earlier, who had the wonderful idea actually to do
That's
everything.
not my idea. That's not my idea.
Everything for 70%.
Oh.
Yeah.
For each product?
And we follow each other on Instagram.
Yep.
So you can say that we're close, right?
Yep.
Okay. Because of Wishtrend being a company that listens to feedback, that listens to Wishtrenders, you know, we have almost like more than 1 million subscribers, right?
Yeah.
So we did the research for you and the Wishtrenders. There's a lot of people in their teenage years. So, you know, when you're a teenager, you can't really afford like a lot of products, right? Even the very good, like well-priced Wishtrend products. So what I'm thinking of is what Rachel suggested, so 70%. And we actually have a list of products in mind because we asked the Wishtrenders. I just want to make sure that you take feedbacks into consideration. That's right.
Yep, that's their concept and philosophy.
So we've had a few ideas. The Wishtrenders actually came up with the ideas. So we wanted to have 65% on the WTL boxes.
Wish, try, love, box.
Do you think that it would be possible?
Which kind of WTF boxes you mean?
All of them.
All of them. I think I need to have some time to discuss.
Yeah, we have to.
I can give you 5 minutes.
So we're originally doing 45% on the WTL boxes.
That's not enough.
But like 60, I mean, we have 5 products for like around $60.
55.
So like,
If we can set a limited time, sometimes we can consider 50%.
50%, 48 hours. We're done.
Yeah, hope our customers can be satisfied with this deal, and hope you can leave the reviews on there. So
Right.
Because WTL is one of the best-selling boxes to our
Right.
Wishtrenders, and so we need to hear their voices.
Leave some reviews so that I don't look like a fool. But I'm not done. Blue cream.
Dear Claire's Midnight Blue Calming Cream.
Yeah.
I mentioned 70%. What do you think about it? For 48 hours.
But like, we don't know if we have a lot in stock. Right?
Okay.
So we might have to check with our logistics team.
Mm-hmm.
But yeah, if we do go with 60%, because
Right.
it's at halfway. If we
Right.
go with 60%, then we might have to limit the stocks.
Our blue cream got the award from all over Korea.
That's why I want it to be available
Yeah.
for everyone.
So I think that this is the time to make some exposure to our customers.
And
to
60%,
make some trials.
60% is gonna get a lot of
So
exposure.
If we can do some limited stock amount and
Uh-huh.
also limited time, we can contribute. Yeah.
There you go, 60% on the blue cream.
Done.
Wonderful.
Yeah.
UV shield.
Dear Claire's Midday Blue UV Shield.
We know that sunscreen is important. Yeah, so we.
So 70%?
For me, right? Blue cream is the best seller under the
Right.
blue line.
Right.
So we can set the same.
60% on the sunscreen.
Yeah, right.
Wonderful.
Yeah.
Okay.
And with the limited time.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah.
I was thinking about other products. You know, you were talking about exposure, right?
Mhm.
I think we need to give more exposure to the clear shield patches and to the
Wishtrend,
soaps.
yeah.
To the soaps. Like the body soap, the facial soap, the charcoal soap.
We want more.
What do you think about it? 70%?
You are the reasonable person, right?
70%.
70% is not the reasonable.
65.
What about some 60%?
60%. Wonderful. Wonderful.
Right.
We're done. What about...
I feel like we're being like, you know, it feels like, you know, you're just pressuring us to say yes.
That's exactly what I'm doing.
Okay, 60% for the shield patch
Yeah.
and the blue cream and the UV shield.
Uh-huh.
Yes.
Yeah. With
And
the
don't forget
limited
about the
time,
WTL box is 50%.
Yeah, okay.
And also, so we will limit some the bulk amounts.
Yeah.
48 hours.
What do we get from you?
I'm your host. Isn't that enough?
No, of course it's enough.
Yeah, you guys are satisfied. We follow each other on Instagram.
Yeah, right. And also, you need to deliver our message to Wishtrenders.
Yeah.
Definitely,
We
definitely.
respect them and we love them. And
That's
also
my job. Don't worry
we
about it.
always consider their
Yeah,
right.
yeah. And with those sales, I know that they're gonna believe it. They're definitely gonna believe it.
Yeah. Hope our Wishtrenders can feel our mind as well.
So I just want to tell the Wishtenders that today we got you the WTL boxes for 50%. We got you the blue cream for 60%. We got you the sunscreen. Very important, guys. Don't get out with that sunscreen. 60%. We got you the clear shield patches for 60%. We got you the body soap, the facial soap, the charcoal soap for 60% as well. And we're gonna have a giveaway for you guys. So are we all satisfied here?
Yeah, I feel like you're more satisfied than us.
Then that's
We're
wonderful.
happy because you're happy.
Aww. You're happy because Wishtenders are happy,
Yeah,
right?
exactly.
Right?
Yeah, right, sure.
Oh my god.
Yeah.
Should we shake hands on it?
Yeah.
Oh, this is a
Okay.
contract.
This is
So
official,
funny.
right? Can,
Yeah.
can someone take a picture? We should get out before they change their mind.
Okay. 감사합니다.
Thank you.
Okay,
thank
thank you.
you. We'll be back next year. So, for the Wishtenders today, we got the best deals at the best price, as you guys have seen. And now, I want you guys to leave reviews, leave us all of your opinion on the deals and stuff, and tell us everything that you want so that we can provide for you guys. And today, I learned a lot about all the huge team that is working behind the scenes. And if you're also curious about that, I can find out more for you guys. And yeah, I just want to say thank you to everyone. Thank you to the team. Thank you to you guys, the most important. And see you in the next video from Medi, the Wishtenders representative. It was too hard. I'm going home now.